Hello everyone, welcome to Arduino series. In today's video, we will write a short program to blink LED available on Arduino board. We are using Arduino software to write a program, but we must remember some terminologies about the software and the program. Let's start with void setup. In void setup, we set the Arduino up and the code written inside it will be executed at once. Then we have a void loop. The code written inside the void loop will be executed over and over like a loop. Every Arduino program must have void setup and void loop. Next thing we need to check on which port our Arduino is connected. We will go in tools where we see the port. Our Arduino is connected to COM number 4. Port may be varies in your system. Next thing, we have to select the board which we are using. We are using Arduino Uno for all our projects. So we will go again in tools. Then we go board. Here you have seen it is already selected Arduino Uno. If it is not selected, then go Arduino AVR board and select Arduino Uno. Now let's write a program. Arduino have connected LED internally with pin number 13. If you don't know anything about Arduino hardware, I will share a link in the description. You can learn from there. In void setup, we set the Arduino up. We set the mode of the pin we are using by pin mode. In pin mode, we have to send two parameters. The first one is pin number which we are using as pin number 13. Then we have to define it whether the device we are using as an input device and output device. LED is basically an output device, so we will write an output here. Now it defines basically that we are sending a signal to Arduino on pin number 13 that we want to blink it as an output device, like a printer is an output device, like a fan is an output device. So this is a LED is basically an output device of the Arduino. In void loop, we will write a program that can execute over and over again. We are turning on the LED for the specific amount of time and then we will turn it off. As we are using digital pins, we will write digital, right? We pass two parameters, pin number and setting parameter will be high. In Arduino programming, high mean on and low mean off. Now we have to tell it for how much long we want to turn it on. We will write delay and pass milliseconds, 1000 milliseconds. 1000 milliseconds equal to 1 second. So we are turning on the LED for 1 second. Then we have to turn it off again. We will write digital, right? Again pin number and low, delay 1000. Now this will program execute over and over again. Digital write pin number 13 will be high for 1 second and then again get lows for 1 second. It will blink the LED on and off, on and off. So I will explain the program again. In void setup, we set the Arduino up and we tell that we are using an output device on pin number 13. In void loop, we will tell that turn on the LED for specific amount of time. We will turn on the LED as high and then turn it off after 1 second. First, we have to verify our code. If it does have some errors or not, we will do that with the verify available on Arduino software. This compiling sketch will verify our code and it will take some seconds to verify it and it's done. We don't have any error in our code. Now we will upload this code in Arduino by using upload command. It again verify and then upload it in Arduino. So maybe now it's done uploading. So our code is uploaded in Arduino and you can see that LED available on Arduino is turning on and off with 1 second gap. So this is the code for today. We are writing to blink an LED. Almost all of the codes we are writing will be same like that, but it will different with different projects. If you have any question regarding that, write in the comment section, or I will see you again in the next video. Thank you so much.